NVIDIA founder and chief executive officer Jensen Huang kicked off the company's annual GPU Technology Conference, GTC, Monday, with a keynote address unveiling the Blackwell platform, announcing expanding partnerships with industry leaders, and showcasing the tech's capabilities. The NVIDIA event, which runs through Thursday, has been eagerly anticipated by investors who are keen to learn about the chipmaker's artificial intelligence initiatives and partnerships. NVIDIA stock has risen more than 80% since the start of the year amid optimism about the company's AI-fueled growth prospects. Here are some of the key takeaways from Huang's presentation and announcements made by the company on the first day of the event. NVIDIA announced the Blackwell platform, the latest version of its AI powering technology. NVIDIA Blackwell platform arrives to power a new era of computing. The Blackwell GPU is the world's most powerful chip that will power a new era of computing, the company said. NVIDIA announced that it is bringing Omniverse to Apple's AAPL, recently launched Vision Pro virtual reality headset. NVIDIA announced Project GR-T, a foundation model for humanoid robots, which Huang said is the next wave of AI and robotics. Building foundation models for general humanoid robots is one of the most exciting problems to solve in AI today, Huang said, adding that the enabling technologies are coming together for leading roboticists around the world to take giant leaps towards artificial